Hey everyone, it's again as of Mainan. So I'll be showing you we have different types of turban in my hand. We have different types, and I'll be showing you this is a yellow turban. This is so everything will keep going for this is yellow turban. This is green. We have this is a leather pattern. This one is a leather pattern. This is a black one. Look at this black. I so much love this black because it has a sequence on it. Look at it. Then we have another one. This is another beaded one. We have just look at the what I'm showing you and the one you want. You can pick it. This one is beaded. Then we have another one. This is sequence wound. Look at this. This is the sequence wound. And if you make a full L, you can just pack your hair inside. And then we have this our bowl. This is our bowl. This is two bowl and it comes with stone at the up. Look at it and it's fit all held. And this is another one. This is a two bowl and this color is I so much love this color. I love this color. This color is so beautiful. Just take a look at it. I'm gonna show you. Look at it how beautiful it is. It has two bow. Then this is another beaded one that I have at my hand. Look at this beaded one. I know you're going to be loving this beaded one and it's just easy to wear. This beaded starts from this is the front part and this is the back part. Can you see how beautiful the turban is? And this is another one I'm wearing on my head. Look at my head. I have another one here. So if you want to make order, all you have to do is what? Just call or you WhatsApp me or you send message to my WhatsApp 08104602148. I'm going to call it again 08104602148. So thank you so much.